All right, a quick look at the markets first. Stocks began to show signs of life as investors assess the U.S. economy's strength against the growing likelihood of interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve as early as September. On Friday, futures contracts for U.S. equities rose alongside stocks in South Korea, China, Japan and Australia. Japanese stock prices recovered from earlier losses as they followed the yen's unwinding surge ahead of the Bank of Japan's meeting next week. Shares in Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company fell as much as 6.5%. Taiwan's stock exchange opened on Friday after the disruption from Typhoon Gaemi. The sell-off in TSMC lines up with a global tech rout this week. Overnight in the United States, tech heavyweights like Nvidia and Microsoft suffered losses, sending the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100 down 0.5% and 1.1%. Respectively, small cap stocks did better than large caps. This is another indication that investors are getting ready for interest rate cuts. Data shows the economy grew more than expected in the June quarter, signaling that demand is resilient despite the borrowing costs. The yen was at about 154 for the dollar, well off its intraday highs from the previous session. The Bank of Japan is expected to raise interest rates next week after inflation rose for a third consecutive month in July. Bets that interest rates would soon tilt in Japan's favor have investors rushing to purchase the yen in recent weeks. However, some investors warn that the rally is fragile.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.